Okay, this is about removing hand-carved architectural items from the front of the Supreme Court of Illinois door. First thing that I did is I had to find the existing nails holding everything in. And if you look real close, there's a nail hole right there. What I did is I used a magnifying glass to find each nail hole, and then a specially prepared punch to pound each nail down in. The reason it's wet is because after pounding each nail hole down in, I've soaked it now with denatured alcohol. Next, I will gently begin to pry it up from the underside.